Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking something that is honestly incredibly fascinating, the intense physical demands of high-energy environments and how our bodies actually recover from them. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or just kind of curious about optimizing your physical wellness, let's look at exactly how to protect your structural health. Okay, let's dive into this. Have you ever wondered why a trip to a place like Las Vegas leaves you feeling just utterly physically drained? I mean, you know the feeling, right? And no, it's actually not just those late nights at the blackjack tables. The city itself literally acts as a unique compounding biological stressor on the human body.
Section 1. The Las Vegas Stress Test. We're going to look at how this city functions as a unique biological stressor.
Think about the environmental stressors at play here. First off, Vegas is a desert, right? And that dry heat dehydrates your muscle tissues incredibly rapidly, making them highly prone to cramping. Add to that the fact that you're walking miles upon miles across those massive, expansive casino floors. That is building up a huge amount of lactic acid in your lower extremities. Combine all of that with a constant, nonstop sensory stimulation from the desert city environment, and, well, you end up with profound systemic physical exhaustion.
Section 2. Choosing your healing modality. Let's talk about countering that physical damage with professional therapeutic bodywork.
So what's the goal here? Biologically speaking, we want to achieve what's called a parasympathetic state. This is your body's physiological state of rest and digestion. When a professional applies deep tissue manipulation, it physically stimulates the release of natural chemicals, things like endorphins and serotonin. It actively shifts your nervous system into this absolutely crucial recovery mode. It reduces chronic pain, decreases anxiety, and jumpstarts repairing the body.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is seeing the stark contrast between these two biological states. Over on the left, you've got the sympathetic state. This is where your body is at when you're navigating a bustling city. You're on high alert, fighting the stress response, just accumulating tension. But comprehensive bodywork flips the switch to the right side, the parasympathetic state. Rest, digestion, profound mental clarity, deep relaxation. It's a literal physical shift from stress to rest.
But to achieve that shift, you've got to pick the right tool for the job. Take traditional Thai massage on the left, for example. It's a rigorous, biomechanical approach. People often call it lazy yoga. You're fully clothed on a floor mat, and it uses deep acupressure to clear physical blockages. Now compare that to Swedish massage on the right. That's your smooth, oil-based strokes on a massage table using soothing kneading to promote systemic circulation. Knowing this difference ensures you pick exactly what your specific body needs.
Section 3. Anatomy of a session. Let's demystify what actually happens during one of these treatments.
You see, a professional session isn't just some random relaxation. It's a highly systematic approach. Practitioners work meticulously, guiding you geographically down the body. They manipulate muscles, tendons, and ligaments step by step. The whole design here is to forcefully encourage blood flow back into restricted areas that have been damaged by heavy travel.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what therapeutic actions are happening in each target area. For instance, in the lower extremities, it's flushing out that lactic acid buildup in your calves and thighs from walking those massive resort corridors, or working the arms and hands to relieve that hidden tension from dragging heavy luggage around. Up in the neck and head, gentle cranial techniques are resolving tension headaches. By targeting these specific zones, those muscle fibers that have shortened from repetitive movements actually begin to lengthen and release.
Let's zoom in on a highly effective technique used in Thai modalities, assisted stretching. Like the quote says, instead of lying completely passively, your body is gently moved into supportive postures. This dynamic movement is vital, guys. It actively repairs tissue architecture and increases the synovial fluid in your joints. That's what gives you a much greater range of motion and actually improves your functional mobility.
Section 4. Essential desert aftercare. Because the work absolutely doesn't end when you leave the treatment room.
So the crucial point is understanding the internal biology at play after your session ends. Bodywork heavily stimulates your lymphatic system. Think of this as your body's internal waste removal network. It's entirely responsible for flushing out all those travel-induced toxins and cellular waste that the therapist just spent time loosening up.
And how exactly do we keep that internal waste removal system functioning? You have to rehydrate. Internal cellular hydration is completely non-negotiable here. That dry Nevada desert climate naturally accelerates dehydration anyway, making a massive increase in water intake post-session absolutely critical if you actually want to flush that metabolic waste out of your system.
To make this super practical, here's your maximizing recovery protocol. First, drink plenty of water before and after you arrive. Second, try to avoid eating a heavy meal within 2 hours of your treatment. And critically, avoid intense physical exertion post-session. Give your muscle fibers the time to actually heal and adapt to the structural changes. Basically, don't go run a marathon right after getting your fascia realigned.
So, how often should you actually do this? Well, while booking a session once a month is fantastic for general wellness, if you're dealing with chronic pain or facing intense physical stress from traveling, getting a session every 1 to 2 weeks is the scientifically backed recommendation. It's the sweet spot for proactive maintenance.
I want to leave you with one final thought to consider. When was the last time you truly reset your nervous system? Our bodies aren't invincible, right? They absorb the environments we push them through. But with the right structural intervention and dedicated aftercare, you have the power to systematically repair that wear and tear. Keep exploring, stay curious about your physical maintenance, and use what we talked about today to take incredible care of your body.